How to return items on Shein. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can initiate and complete a return on Shein mobile app, be it iOS or Android, and I'm going to show you how you can select items, choose return methods, generate labels, package, and submit for a refund. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your Shein application and then you're going to go to the Me section here at the bottom right. So once you do so, you'll be able to see an option of shipped over here. So simply click on shipped. So this area will show the items that have already been delivered to you. So if your item has been delivered, you'll need to mark it as received first. So this lets the system know you got the package. After confirming that you received the item, a return option will appear next to your order. So tap on the return button and shortly after that, Shein will email you a return label linked to your registered email address. So you're going to download and print the return label from your email and attach it securely to the packaging, whether it's a bag or box that you'll use to send the item back. So make sure the label is clearly visible on the parcel. Take the labeled package to your nearest post office or designated drop-off point. Once it's been scanned and sent, the return is on its way back to Shein, and you'll receive your refund after they've processed it. So you gotta acknowledge one thing, that Shein's return policy does not cover certain product categories. The following items cannot be returned: bodysuits, lingerie, jewelry, beauty products, underwear, event party supplies, DIY kits, pet care, and accessories. So make sure to double check what you're buying before placing the order. And that's it. That is how you can return unwanted items on Shein quickly and easily. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.